right, guys, so as you know, I'm always on the hunt for something cool for our cars, and I recently just came across something that is going to be making its way onto the old to-do list, or the mod list that I have that's ever growing. And the reason why is because this is extremely unique. It's really cool. I haven't seen it before, and yeah, you're gonna stick out like a sore thumb, and that's something that we're all trying to achieve, I'm assuming, with these cars. You know, you want to always stick out a little bit, have something a little unique, and this certainly fits that bill. Now, before I jump into that, I just want to say that the channel has now opened up an official RT Life store, and it's not just selling RT Life stuff, okay? I'm trying to develop designs that a Hellcat owner, a Scat owner, you know, you name it, an owner will be able to identify with and you know, purchase and wear and just enjoy it, you know. So each of the sales, I do make like a $2 or $3 profit. On hoodies, I think I'm at, like, you know, around $8. So, you know, I just want to say that each of the purchases is greatly appreciated. I do make a little bit of money, and that will in turn help fuel the channel. So, you know, anybody that buys anything, anybody that has bought something, I just want to say thank you very much. So with that plug now out of the way, we're going to talk about a product that I just found, and seriously, this is awesome. It is a Demon hood for Chargers. Now, I've seen Demon replica hoods for Challengers already, and you know, Challenger owners have the ability to just pretty much go out and just buy a Demon hood, I believe, and you know, that's awesome. But this is the first I've seen a Charger option of that. And you know, many people have been wondering what it is that I'm going to do with my hood. I put a wrap on it thinking that, you know, that will pacify the situation. But I know at some point I'm going to upgrade the hood. And the reason why is not just from cosmetic purposes. I want that increased functionality. I want something funneling cooler air and directing it towards my intake box. And that Demon hood certainly fits the bill. Now, the other options on the table are the Viper hood, which you know, is a great option. It has the cooling vents and everything, but and the Hellcat also has the hood scoop, hood vents, and the Scat has just the ram air, if you will, you know, the scoop. But the reason why I think I like this Demon the most is because of the size of the scoop. I like the size of the scoop, and all of that air is coming rushing in through that scoop, and it's getting directly funneled to the intake. Okay, and the other hoods, I believe, do that, but look at the size of this scoop. You're telling me that is not going to funnel in some major air? So I'm really excited about something like that. Now, obviously, it's not something that I can do right away, okay? I am kind of in the middle of upgrading a few other components. I'm waiting on some things, and I have other things in the works at the moment, but this is certainly something that I'm extremely interested in, and the reason why is because it's a perfect combination of functionality and uniqueness. Okay, this is going to be extremely unique. Okay, not many people out there have something like this, and even after I make this video, I mean, what are you talking, maybe 1 or 2 other people buy it, you know. A lot of people go the Hellcat route, you know, they get the Hellcat hood, or they get the Scat hood, and you know, I don't want to say anything bad about that, because let me tell you, the thought has crossed my mind. It's a great option. Typically it's a direct fit, and you know, your intake temperatures go down. The scoops make the front of it look really aggressive as hell. But you know, like I as people have seen in this channel, I've always done things, or I do things just a little bit more offbeat. Okay, whether you hate it, you like it, whatever. I mean, I've done quite a few mods where, you know, people just dog the hell out of it, but in a respectful and good way. So, you know, I always appreciate that even though you don't like my stuff, It is what it is. So, you know what, guys? Let me know what you think about this new Demon hood for chargers. I think it's awesome. I think it's certainly something that I would like to do to my charger. When I'm going to be able to do it, I have no clue. I've been talking to the company, or at least I reached out to the company. I want to make sure that no additional pieces are needed. I believe that when I go down that route, I will have the hood wrapped in that gloss black again, just to match the front. And yeah, you know, I would buy it and monitor the intake temperatures to see if it actually does do anything for the RT. And you know, this is like a side note, but you know, one of the really cool things about having an RT and a V6 and everything is that you're almost essentially given a blank canvas, okay? You don't feel guilty about modifying. Like if I had a Hellcat, I would never upgrade the Hellcat hood. It's an awesome hood. So, you know, you don't feel as guilty about replacing, you know, a lot of the components on these RTs and, you know, the V6s and everything, because, you know, you want the upgrades, you want that upgraded look, and you can kind of play, you know, pick and choose what you want to do with your car and make it look unique and everything. So, you know, like it's kind of a fun way, and you know, maybe that's a half glass full kind of a approach to it, but I am certainly enjoying the modifying process, and this hood I think would be a perfect addition to what it is that I'm trying to do with my RT. So yeah, guys, thank you for all the support. You know, at this point, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and drop a comment if you're feeling, you know, crazy and whatnot. I'll always try and get back to you guys the best that I can. It may be 20 hours later, but I will make an attempt out there to do it. So yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in another video.